Dell Pro Smart Docks support over-the-air firmware updates without a connected PC, allowing you to manage updates via the Dell Device Management Console. To create a firmware policy, start by navigating to the Deployment tab. Under Peripheral Firmware Policies, click Manage Firmware Policies. Then, select the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new policy. In the window that appears, define your firmware policy by entering the required fields. You can automatically update to the latest firmware, maintain a minimum version, or install a specific version. Updates can run during device check-in or scheduled. Then, click Next. In the Install Parameters screen, click Next again. Now choose which device groups you'd like to assign the firmware policy to. In the scheduling options, select when you want the update to run, either immediately based on a selected time zone and date. Set your preferred start and end dates, times, and day of the week. Click Next to review all details, then click Save. Your new firmware policy is now active. With policies in place, Dell Pro Smart Docks update automatically, no PC required. Efficient, secure, and entirely hands-free.